Now let us discuss about steps to convert propositional logic statements into the conjunctive normal form. In short, we can call as CNF. So here totally we have to follow 4 steps. Step 1, remove the biconditional using the rule. So if the statement contains biconditional operator, this is biconditional operator. We can call this as if and only if. If the statement contains biconditional operator, then we have to use this rule in order to remove this biconditional operator. A biconditional B is equal to, so this is equal to symbol. A conditional B, A implies B, and B conditional, that means B implies A. So if the statement contains A biconditional B, then we have to replace that statement by this formula. So next one, step 2, remove implication using the rule. If the statement contains implication operator, arrow operator, then we have to use the rule A implies B is equal to negation A or B. Step 3, move the negation inwards. So that means here we will apply De Morgan's law. De Morgan's laws. Negation of A or B means we have to apply negation on A or B. So negation A, negation of R means and negation B. So here we are moving the negation inside on the corresponding that preposition we are applying the negation. Negation of A and B equal to, so we have to apply negation on A and B. So that is equal to negation A. Negation of and means R, negation B. Next, negation of negation A equal to, so this is double negation law. So we are applying the negation twice, is equal to A. A is the result. Step 4, apply distributive and commutative law till we get the statement in conjunctive normal form. So here distributive law means here these two laws are distributive laws. A are B and C. A and B are C. Distributive law means we must have 3 propositions, such as 3 different propositions, such as A, B, C, P, Q, R, alpha, beta, gamma, likewise. Distributive means the symbols must be different. Distributive means different symbols. So here if the symbol is R here, then within the parenthesis and symbol. Here outside this parenthesis we have and, whereas inside the parenthesis here we have and. So reverse of and means R. So distributive means we have to apply the different symbols. So we can call these 2 laws as distributive laws. A, R, B and C equal to, the formula is very very simple. A, R, B and A, R, C and A, R, C. So this is nothing but conjunctive normal form production. So let's see what is conjunctive normal form. Conjunction means and operation. Here we have to perform and operation. So here we are performing and operation. So within the parenthesis we will perform disjunction operation. Disjunction on the literals. So A and B, A R B and A R C and B R D. So this is nothing but conjunctive normal form. So conjunctive means between the corresponding terms we need to perform the conjunction operation. Conjunction means and operation. Whereas within the parenthesis we need to perform the disjunction operation on the literals. So disjunction means R operation. A R B, A R C, B R D, R operation. Okay. Next, A and B R C equal to A and B or A and C. A and B R C equal to A and B or A and C. So the A and B or A and C. So this is which normal form? Disjunctive normal form. So this is not conjunctive. The first production, this statement is in conjunctive normal form, whereas this one is in disjunctive normal form. So once again we need to apply the rule till we get the production in the conjunctive normal form. Okay. So this is the formula. A and B or A and C. Next, commutative laws are, for applying the commutative law, we need to have only two prepositions, two literals. A or B equal to same, B or A. A and B equal to B and A. A and B equal to B or A and B equal to B and A. So we need to apply these four laws in order to convert the given preposition statement into the conjunctive normal form. So let us see this problem. A implies A biconditional, B or C. So we have to convert this preposition statement into the conjunctive normal form. So initially we have biconditional. If we have biconditional, then that should be replaced by this formula. A conditional B and B conditional A. A implies B and B implies A. Here what is A? This left hand side is nothing but A. This right hand side is nothing but B. So what is the formula here? A conditional B, A conditional B and B conditional A. What is B here? B or C, B conditional A. Here A means A only. Next, this statement contains implication. This statement also contains implication. So in order to remove this implication, we have a formula. A implies B equal to negation A or B. So negation A or what is B here? B or C. And here we have and. Next here, this is A, this is B. So negation B or A. Next, here we have R symbol, here we have R symbol. So distributive law can't be applied. We can't apply commutative law also directly. Okay. Why? Because for applying the commutative law, we require only two prepositions. Okay. So let us write these statements. Let us write this statement as it is. Next, and now we can apply we can move the negation inwards. So we can apply the De Morgan law. So negation of B or C means, so move the negation towards the inside. So negation B, negation of R means and negation C. Negation B and negation C are A. So negation A or B or C. So we can apply now we can apply the commutative law. Let us assume that this is A, this is B. We can apply the commutative law. Let us assume that this entire term is a single term. This entire proposition, B or C, is single proposition. What is the formula for A or B? Directly we can write B or A, or if you want, we can remove this parenthesis. So remove this parenthesis, negation A or B or C. Or if you want, we can write B or C or negation A. Both are same only. So just here what we are doing, we are removing this parenthesis symbol. We are removing this parenthesis symbol. So negation A or B or C. And here A and B or C. What is the formula? A and B or C means A or C. What is A here? Negation. This is A. A and B or C. This is A, this is B, this is C. A and B or C means A or C. A or what is C? E and A. A or C and B or C. What is B? Negation C. A and B, A or B and A or C. So if you see here we have and, here we have and. So that means we are performing the conjunction operation. If you see here we are performing the OR operation on the literals. Here also we are performing the OR operation. Here also negation C or A. Negation C or A. A and B, A or C and B or C. So this is the result of this one. So we can convert this statement into the CNF form like this. So likewise we can solve any problem very easily. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, as well as share the channel with your friends. Thanks for watching.